What? Say hi.
Hi.
It's a video.
Oh God, I thought
She always takes pictures.
I'd rather have pictures.
Dippin' Dots.
Dippin' Dots are cool.
Here we go. I want to get a picture of all
I'm going to crush it.
7 of us. All 7 of us together. We can put it on
Casey,
Facebook.
look.
I can't take any more movies.
Do you Dippin' Dots?
Oh, come on.
Oh, Richard was taking movies.
I smashed it.
Chicago.
Now she's dope.
His phone takes it. This makes me want to go to Cheeseburger in Paradise. Now, speaking of Cheeseburger in Paradise, do you guys ever go there?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
I know you loved it. Does Dave like it?
Yep.
Richard hated it when we went there. He went there one time and he'd never go back. He's like, it's a greasy cheeseburger.
I like Cheeseburger Paradise. They have good popcorn shrimp. Sing it.
I like the cheeseburger, but he said it was greasy cheeseburger. So good on his food.
Cheeseburger in Paradise.
Andy likes the song.
Casey, who's your parents' favorite singer?
Jimmy Buffett and Alan Jackson. They're like the equally.
Jimmy Buffett and Alan Jackson. Who's Alan Jackson? Country.
Shannon, who's your mom's favorite band?
Journey.
Look, Casey knows. Shannon.
All my friends know. No, Mommy doesn't like Journey. She's addicted to Journey.
What?
Yes.
Nuh-uh.
Well, you're less addicted. Now you love it. She's not addicted. Like ever since Steve, my sister, she's a nerd. Ever since Steve Perry left the band.
That was in like 86.
Okay, well, you have to post this on Facebook. When Steve Perry left the band.
When Steve Perry left the band, it was in 1987.
Steve Perry now?
No, I mean, ever since Arno Panada joined the band,
Look, she knows Arnell.
you have gotten less addicted to Journey.
Hey.
That's a good journey. Steve Perry left.
No, ever since Arno Panada.
I like Arnell Panada, but he's no Steve Perry.
Andy
He's
likes
not
when they
Steve
go,
Perry.
Did y'all have fun today?
Oh yeah, I had still good.
Still.
How many times have you been up on those?
I don't know, like 5, 6, like 12.
On the hurricane?
12? No.
The hurricane? That's a fun one. You guys should go on that.
Have fun with that, Dina.
It's fun.
You can never pressure me to go on hurricane. I do it for money.
It's fun. It's
I'll
not
give you $1.
scary. I don't like scary rides. And you're just
Something
not
like
scary, I swear to
$50.
God.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Like 50 or 60.
Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy. Come on. You're tall enough.
Why don't you go do it?
I already did. Me and Dina already did it. Didn't we, Dina?
Take the video.
We went on it.
Take the
We
camera
went on
on
it
there.
last year.
Did the camera on there.
No. Ruin it.
Watch the video. All you see is Mommy screaming, twisting, and then underwater.
All right, say goodbye.